warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, how are you today?
I hope you're always fine.
Before we continue this video, we will introduce ourselves first. My name is Selvi Rahmadani.
And my name is Nurhasanah.
In this video, we will discuss how to make an appointment.
What the definition of making an appointment? An appointment is a formal arrangement to meet or visit someone at a particular time and place. For example, you might make an appointment with your doctor to discuss your health concerns.
When do we use an appointment? We can use appointment when we want to make a formal arrangement to meet or visit someone at particular time and place, especially for a reason connected with their work. For example, I have an appointment with the doctor tomorrow at 10 a.m. When we use appointment, we need to pay attention to the proportion of time and place that we use with it. For example, I have an appointment at 3 o'clock, used at for a specific point of time. I have an appointment on Monday, used on for days and dates. I have an appointment in July, used in for months and years. I have an appointment at the office, used at for specific point of place. I have an appointment in the city, used in for a general area or space.
Hi, I have an appointment on Monday, but I'd like to change it.
Please, can you confirm your name and date of birth?
Selvi Rahmadani, 8 November 2004.
Great! Why do you want to change your appointment?
Something important came up.
Okay, this is a very busy time for us. Please avoid changing appointments.
Sorry, when is the available time?
There is slot available Thursday at 8 a.m.
I would take that, please.
Hold on, your appointment has been changed. If you need to cancel, please give us a call.
I appreciate it. Thank you for your help.
Hi, I'd like to schedule an appointment with Dr. Lee, please.
Sure, what day and time work best for you?
How about next Wednesday at 10 a.m.?
That works for us. Can I have your name and phone number, please?
My name is Nurhasanah and my phone number is 555-1234.
Great, well, see you next Wednesday at 10 a.m. Thanks for calling.
Hi, I'd like to schedule an appointment with Dr. Lee, please.
Sure, what day and time work best for you?
How about next Wednesday at 10 a.m.?
That works for us. Can I have your name and phone number, please?
My name is Nurhasanah and my phone number is 555-1234.
Great! Well, see you next Wednesday at 10 a.m. Thanks for calling!
Nice! You did a great job!